How to generate a report for tips allocated per waiter. From the Springboard menu, click on Reporting. On the report list, you will click on Payment Method Report. Next, you will select your node. You can choose the relevant node or multiple nodes if generating the report across several stores. Now you will set the reporting period by choosing your desired date range. Once done, click Submit. To generate the report, you will click on the Generate button to create the report. Once the report has been created, you can access the generated report by clicking the page icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Previewing the report is done by clicking the eye icon to open and view the report contents. You can customize the report view by using the column chooser to personalize your report. To add or remove columns, you will drag and drop columns in or out of the report view. Applying filters as needed will allow you to focus on specific tip allocations based on your chosen criteria. You can filter the report by node, employee, or payment method. You have now successfully generated a report for tips allocated per waiter.